Namaste. This is Rishikesh Writings, and today we are in Deviji, and Deviji is a Indian classical folk singer which belongs to a particular state called Bihar, and we welcome the Deviji in our show. Namaste, Deviji.
Namaste, thanks for your invitation.
Thank you for coming in our show. So, Deviji, how this music journey start in your life? What is the a moment when you found yourself that you have to be in the music?
I never thought that I have to be in music. It was very natural, and I think any art is it's by birth. So I have even one picture when I was only 6 months old, and I was with a radio and listening to music. So music is in me is very natural, and it came into my life very naturally. So I remember that when I was very young, like 3 4 years old, then I started singing in my home. When I went to school, I started also singing in school.
So, who's the teacher or who's a guru, a master, inspire you to become a singer? Like, is there any particular a singer, a musician you love to listen and learn from him and her?
Yeah, I like some singers I really like Abida Parveen ji. I used to listen her a lot. Munni Begum and Reshma. I really like them. And I told you that music came into my life very naturally. I am not inspired by something. It just happened in my life.
So when you say about you love to listen Abida, Munni Begum, so which which is the best thing that you love it from them?
Yeah, I like the voice quality. They have very open voice quality. Like if you, and that voice touches your heart. Like if you listen Reshma, I can sing something
Yeah,
for
sure.
you from Reshma, which I really like. You will see that. You will feel that her voice has depth, and when we hear it, it's very touchy. बिछड़े अभी तो बस कल परसों जीऊंगी मैं कैसे इस हाल में बरसों मौत ना आई तेरी याद क्यों आई हाय लंबी जुदाई चार दिनों दा प्यारो रब्बा बड़ी लंबी जुदाई
For this beautiful music, and our question is for you. That's what is your breaking point in the life which make you more deep inside this subject of music?
If you will say about my career,
Yeah.
so my first album in Bhojpuri, it was a folk album, came in 2003, and it became very popular, and all over the Bihar and UP, and where people hear folk songs. So I think that was my turning point where I got recognition from the public.
So this is the turning point which makes you to bring the soil of India.
Yes.
So which is your first show which is you done in abroad?
First time I went to abroad in 2010. I went to Qatar,
Yeah.
and it was a very good show.
And is there at present moment is there any teacher you are learning from, or are you only just practicing your own music?
These days, I don't have a teacher, but I used to learn from. There are two very renowned institute of music in Delhi. I was learning from Gandharv Sangeet Mahavidyalaya, and I was also learning from Shri Ram Bharati Kala Kendra, where I was learning Kathak dance. So I learned classical music and also the Kathak dance.
And when you go in a show, which part of India you love to do your show?
It's very hard to say because public is public, and everywhere public give you response. Even if I go to abroad, people love me. I remember I went to Moscow, and there were a lot of Indian people, and they really welcomed me. So I think artist doesn't have any particular place. The music when they present their music, people love it, and people love it everywhere. So I think it's very universal.
And is there any good support, we can say a buddy in your life, like which always inspire you to
Yes.
go in the life?
Yeah, that's my father. And now we have a ashram in Rishikesh. We are sitting in Rishikesh. This is my ashram, Devi Music Ashram in Tapovan. And I would say that my father really encouraged us. And he's very free-minded man, very open-minded, and he gave us a lot of freedom. And I think his support matters a lot in my life.
And what is your beautiful part you love from your father?
I like in him, he's very kind and he's very intelligent. So these two things is very impressive for me because when you are kind, people like to be with you. If you don't have kindness, I think kindness is the thing which attracts people to be with you. So I always enjoy with my father because he's very kind, and it is also good to be with an intelligent person because when you are with intelligent person, you feel more relaxed and more happy. So I really appreciate his intelligence and kindness.
And you have a beautiful angel which called as Raj, who always support you. Would you like to share about?
Yes, I am so lucky to have a brother like Raj, and Raj really support me in everything. Even when we do concert here, he does sound engineering, and also when I sing, he records my songs. When I do the videos, he make my video, he edit my videos, he upload on YouTube. So I think my brother is giving a great support in my music world.
And now you are living in Rishikesh. Which is your best part? You love to walk on the Rishikesh and
Yes. Yes, I love to walk in Rishikesh, and I think I have traveled many countries also, and I never felt that strong energy anywhere else like Rishikesh. So I love Rishikesh, and I'm so lucky that in this lockdown I am locked down in Rishikesh, and I go for walking, I go to jungle, I go to waterfall, I go to Ganga, and I feel so blessed.
The Rishikesh is also a part of a good food. So which is the good food you tried in the Rishikesh?
I like tikki chaat a lot. Here, when you go to Triveni Ghat, there are a lot of stall where they sell tikki chaat, and I remember then when I was kid, I used to eat a lot of that stuff because girls like it a lot.
So, any good lesson you would like to share with your viewer or a student who would like to learn from you or whom you already teaches? So, what kind of what give message you would like to say them?
I think that music is wonderful thing, and we should connect ourselves with music because it give us a very beautiful and nice feeling, and I would say that it's a wonderful thing. So I think people should learn music, and also children, because it's good for their mental and mental health, So I think people should connect themselves with music in any way. They can listen some nice music. If you listen sitar, if you listen flute, if you listen any good music, classical music, it enhance your life. So I think also the guardian, they should encourage their children for the music.
And did you also write any song, your
No.
own creation?
No,
Not
I
yet.
don't write, but I can
You,
sing.
you can sing. So would you like to share the Abida Parveen?
No, I sing something which
Which
I
is-
like for Saraswati. Actually, we are daughter of Saraswati. It is called that artist are son or daughter of Saraswati. So I would like to share one beautiful music which I like. Namaste, Shri Maa Saraswati Devi Maa, Jaya Jaya Maa. Namaste, Shri Maa Saraswati Devi Maa, Jaya Jaya Maa, Jaya Jaya Maa, Jaya Jaya Maa. Namaste, Shri Maa Saraswati Devi Maa, Jaya Jaya Maa, Jaya Jaya Maa, Jaya Jaya Maa.
Any did you also experience a point in the life where the person feel a break, a kind of a deep connection with the soul, or that a moment where the person feel, okay, I would like to go more deep inside ourselves and I don't want to connect with a more human being. So is there any particular point it come in your life?
No, I enjoy music, and when you are with music, when you have good thoughts, you live a higher life. You don't need to. It's very natural. I think I live a very good life. I live quality life because I think good. I read Mother Teresa. I listen great people. So it's really help you to become a better person. So every day I try to become a good person, and you can learn from anything. Sometimes I learn from the animals. How simple they are. Whatever they want, they just express. So it's also a learning that we should be simple. Sometimes I learn from children also. Sometimes I listen great gurus, and they give you nice tips in your life. Sometimes I listen my father. He's a philosophy professor, and he did a PhD on Osho and Krishnamurti. Sometimes I hear them, and I think this kind of thing, when you are with good music, good thoughts, good humanity, your life is super, and you have a quality life.
And any message you would like to share from India to the abroad, your friends?
Yes, sure. I would say that India. I personally feel that India is a very colorful country, and India has lot of taste. I have never seen any country who has so much color, and India has a lot of cultures. Every state has different lifestyle, different way. So I think India is a very interesting country, and also the India has a wonderful food. I think one should definitely taste Indian food, that is very delicious, and India has variety of things. So for that I love India.
So at the end, would you like to share one folk song?
Yes, of course. I can sing my that song which became very very popular. बही के पुरवारामा बह गईले पछुआ सजनवा रे, बही के पुरवारामा बह गईले पछुआ सजनवा रे, बह गईले शीतला बेयर मोर सजनवा रे, बह गईले शीतला बेयर। सावन में बदरा बरसे सजिया डासा मेरा माँ सावन में बदरा बरसे सजिया डासा में सजना मारे लग गई रतिया जनींद मोर सजना मारे लग गई रतिया जनींद बही के पुरवारामा बगैल पछुआ सजना मारे बगैल शीतल बेजार मोर सजना मारे बगैल शीतल बेजार.
Thank you for your beautiful time, and we wish you a very good luck.
Thank you
And,
so much.
Would you
and-
like to share your YouTube channel so people can see your songs?
Yes, I think it's the name is Devi. I need to ask my brother because I just forgot the YouTube. But they can just write Devi Singer. They will get my songs.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you for the time, and you can subscribe us, share us, and we will keep update you with the new people. And Rishikesh, namaste.
Namaste.